So Teddy, tell us about what Thomas is doing today.
He's at the big pond.
Is he at the station or is he at the big pond?
He's at the big pond station.
Oh. Is there anybody on his train? You've been doing this for an hour. Have there been anybody in Thomas's coaches, Teddy?
Yeah.
Who?
The Pteranodon family just got off Thomas. They just got off Thomas. The Pteranodon family just got off Thomas.
Did they go swimming in the big pond?
No, they didn't. They were looking for dinosaur and Fossil Fred. They were looking for a dinosaur named Fossil Fred.
Did they find him?
Yeah, I did.
Is he going to come on the train now, Fossil Fred?
No, he's going to stay there.
What about the Pteranodon family?
No, they're not going to stay there. They're going to go back on the train.
And then where are they going to go?
Back to Pteranodon Terrace.